Alright, welcome back to Packet Tracer. This is Aaron Strasser and doing activity 9253, WAN encapsulation mismatches. So we are going to be configuring PPP encapsulation on all the serial interfaces, and we're going to intentionally break and restore some PPP encapsulation. So we're going to learn how to configure PPP on serial links, and we will also examine mismatches and learn how to correct them. So let's go ahead and get started by configuring PPP encapsulation on serial interfaces. So the default serial encapsulation on Cisco routers is HDLC. So we can use the show interface command on any of the serial interfaces to view the current encapsulation. So let's try here we go, R1. Let's try R1, go to the CLI, password is Cisco for everything, enable Cisco, then we can do a show interface, serial 000. So encapsulation right there is HDLC. So to change the encapsulation type on the link between R1 and R2, we need to go into configuration terminal, put the interface that we want to access, and simply put encapsulation, hit the tab key to finish that one out, PPP, and it's just asking what happens when one end of the serial link is encapsulated with PPP and the other end is encapsulated with HDLC. They're just not going to be able to find each other. And what would happen if PPP encapsulation was configured on each end of the serial link. So let's go ahead and do that for the R2. Okay, let's see here. So I wasn't really sure which one we're looking for. That's Fast Ethernet. There, another one. This one is HDLC on 000. They're both HDLC. So let's first go back here and see what we've got connected. So they're both 000 connected to each other. So to connect those, we'll need to change this one to encapsulation PPP. So we see that encapsulation is now PPP there. So we've got that one switched. And now we're going to change the encapsulation from HDLC to PPP on both ends of the serial link between R2 and R3, which, you know, we have serial link 001 on both of them that we'll need to set up. There's that one. And then down here on R3, so now they've all been changed from HDLC to PPP. So everything is connected with PPP. Okay, so now we're going to examine some WAN encapsulation mismatches. So we're going to return both serial interfaces on R2 to HDLC. So we're still in the interface for serial 001, so we can just do encapsulation HDLC, and we'll switch to 000. Show interface. So if we go down to the serial 000, it is in HDLC. 001 there is in HDLC. So now router 2 is back to HDLC. So those are not going to work out for us. Let's see. Whoops. Let's look back up here at our serial ports. Just checking to see what we've done. If we'll see here, when we changed it to PPP, when they were all connected, the line protocol was up. When we changed them to HDLC, down at the bottom here, the line protocol was down. So that's what's happening. Our line protocols have all gone down because they're mismatched from PPP to HDLC. So of course what we need to do is set them all back to PPP. Should be an S in there. Encapsulation PPP. Enter. It changes the state to up right there. You can see it happen. S001, encapsulation PPP, change state to up, show interface. If we go down to the serial ports, the serial port's up, the line protocol is up. Same thing on the next one, and that should be it. So once you have those messed up, the line protocol goes down. So you have to make sure they're both PPP or they're both HDLC. So that is, and we can always check our results here, and we're at 100%, so everything looks good. So that is the end of this activity. Thank you very much for watching.